Hey everybody, what's up? Deborah Jean here. I'm going to show you today a little bit about the ICC2 controller and the new Easy Decoder system by Hunter. So I'll show you how to program the new Easy 1 decoder. It's super easy. Here we go. Okay guys, so we're here with the ICC2 controller. We've got it plugged in to our power source, and we have it in the off position. We have installed the Easy DM 2-wire module, and we have left the old module down here below that it came with. The Easy DM module's here, snaps right in, unlock, lock. And after we snap in that Easy DM module, you're going to want to hit the reset button right here, and that's going to reprogram the zones for you and set you up for 2-wire, 54 zones. So here we go. We've got our Easy 1 single station decoder unwrapped, and we've got our red and blue wires in hand. We're going to go ahead and turn on the zone that we want to program, which right now doing zone 9. Add time. We'll go ahead and let zone 9 run. And what we're going to do, simply plug in to the port, blue and red wires. We're going to hit the program button, and as soon as we see this light illuminate on the decoder, that means it's programmed. And what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we take our marker and we're going to write on it number 9. Simple programming.